Hello everyone, welcome to Interpersonal Competence Chapter 5, and in this chapter we will learn about cultural patterns and communication taxonomies. And what we will learn inside this chapter, firstly, we will learn the high context, low context cultural taxonomy. High context communication is interactions that take place in a long-term relationship between the people who are often able to interpret even the slightest gesture or the briefest comment. Loud context communication is now experienced by more and more people as they interact with computers. The importance of in-groups and out-groups. In high-context culture, it's very easy to determine who is a member of the group and who is not. Another decision concerns the emphasis placed on the individual in constructs the groups as a source of self-identifier. Orientation time, the final distinguishable characteristics of high and low context culture is their orientation to time. In the former, time is viewed as more open, less structured, more responsive to the immediate needs of people, and less subject to external goals and constraints. Power distance. One of the basic concerns of all cultures is the issue of human inequality. Culture also differ in the extent to which they view such status inequalities as good or bad, right or wrong. Refers to the degree to which the culture believes that instructional and organizational power should be distributed unequally, and the decision of the power holder should be accepted. Uncertainty avoidance. Another concern of all cultures is how they will adapt to change and cope with uncertainties. The future will always be unknown in some represent. This unpredictability and the resultant unexpectedly that inevitability occurs are basic in human experience. Individualism and collectivism. Another concern of all cultures and a problem for which they must all find a solution involves people relationships to the larger social groups of which they are a part. People must live and interact together for culture to survive. And masculinity and femininity refer to masculinity and femininity dimension. This dimension indicates the degree to which a culture values masculine behaviors such as assertiveness and the activations of wealth. Femininity behaviors such as crying for others and the quality of life. And long-term and short-term time orientation, a fixed concern of all cultures related to its orientation to time. The time orientation dimension refers to a person's point of reference about life and work. Cultures that promote a long-term orientation toward life admire persistence, thriftiness, and humanity. Indulgences and restraint. Indulgences and restraint dimension, juxtaposed and noisy with self-discipline. Cultures high on indulgence, economy, pleasure, enjoyment spending, consultation, consultation, and general merriment. Cultures high on restaurant encourage the control of such hedonistic gratifications and the pleasure and enjoyment. Monomentalism and self-effacement. The monomentalism and self-effacement dimension just posted stability with change. Monumentalism encourage people to be like the monuments or statues that one commonly finds in parks or near government buildings. Self-effacement encourage humility, flexibility, adaptation to the situation, and feeling comfortable about life's paradoxes and incompatibilities. And thank you for watching this chapter. See you in the next chapter.